Dear students, yesterday I gave you the volcano chapter at a glance. Today I am going to explain the chapter. So kindly listen carefully, and when I explain this chapter, I want that you also read this chapter from your book so that you can understand the chapter well. After studying the chapter or chapter at a glance, if you don't understand anything, kindly ask me without any hesitation. Take your active participation for your studies. We do not know that at what time the school will open. So kindly go through these videos and understand the chapter for your future. Now we come to the chapter volcanoes. As per the diagram, first of all we have the meaning. Meaning of the volcano is a volcano is a narrow opening in the earth crust which emits hot ash, molten magma and other gases from the earth. You know that earth's surface is weaker at many places. So wherever the earth crust is weak, from there these volcanoes erupts, and through which a lot of material comes out. That is the hot ash, molten magma, दहकता हुआ, बिल्कुल आग निकलती है बच्चों जब ज्वालामुखी फटते हैं तो, and other gases from the earth. That is why when these gases when they rise up, they cool down, and after the volcanic eruption we have sometimes the rainfall also. When these gases or steam that goes in the upper layer of the atmosphere, it cools down and give the birth to the rainfall. Now the features are associated volcanism. This I will explain you later. Vent, crater, cinder, lava, magma, conduit. Types, we have three types of volcanoes: active, dormant, extinct. Effect, constructive and destructive. This I will explain you later. Features of the volcano. Now number one, we have volcanism. Volcanism is the process through which the molten material is ejected to the surface of the earth. This molten material is called magma. Magma is found inside the earth crust. Because of the heat and temperature, these rocks are melted and they come in the form of magma. Vent is the place from where the magma comes out. Narrow opening of a volcano, जहाँ से magma निकलता है, that is called vent. Crater, depression formed at the mouth of the volcanic vent. Sometimes these craters are turned into the lakes, and those lakes are called crater lakes. These crater lakes are very helpful for the medicinal purposes. Sometimes a large quantity of sulfur is found in this water, which is helpful for the leprosy patients. जिनको कुष्ठ हो जाता है, अगर ऐसे पानी में नहा लेते हैं तो उनका कुष्ठ रोग खत्म हो जाता है. Cinder, material ejected through a volcano. That is called cinder. Lava, understand that lava when it approaches on the surface of the earth is called lava. Inside the earth crust is called magma. This is the difference between magma and lava. Magma is found inside the earth crust, and lava, when it approaches on the upper layer of the earth crust, is known as lava. Magma, hot material, molten material below the ground, which is ejected through a volcano. Conduit, a channel for liquid magma. This you have in your book, you have the photo or the picture of volcano. There you will find all these features associated with volcano. Now we come to the types of volcano. There are 3 types of volcano. Active volcano keep erupting periodically, or they are never stopping, through which these volcanoes are such volcanoes which erupt continuously. That is why they are called active volcano. Example, we have Mount Vesuvius and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Dormant volcanoes are considered as sleeping volcanoes. These volcanoes are very destructive. We do not know that at what time they can wake up. They are just like a sleeping lion in the forest, and you know that we do not know that at what time they can erupt. So they are very dangerous. Inactive for some times before becoming active again. Extinct volcanoes are those volcanoes that have erupted once and now there are no chances of their eruption. So that is why they are called extinct. Almost all, there are no chances of their eruption. That is why they are called extinct volcano. Example, we have Mount Kenya, Mount Kilimanjaro. They both are in the continent of Africa. Now we come to the phenomena of volcano. There are, in the previous chapter also, you have seen the intrusive rocks. Intrusive rocks are found, intrusive igneous rocks are found inside the earth crust, and extrusive igneous rocks are found on the surface of the earth. So first we come to the intrusive landforms, which occur when lava solidifies in the earth crust and give rise to the various shapes such as dikes. Vertical joint and fissure in the rock produces dikes. Sills, horizontal deposit of lava. Laccolith, dome-shaped intrusions of lava. Phacolith, lens-shaped intrusions. Lapolith, saucer-shaped intrusion. The figure of the dikes, sills and laccolith, phacolith and lapolith are given in your book. You can go through this. Extrusive forms, landforms which occur when magma deposits on the surface of the earth. ये भूमि की, ये पृथ्वी की सतह पर पाए जाते हैं. और intrusive, they are found in the earth crust, inside. From the word itself, you can understand the meaning, intrusive and extrusive. Geography, my dear students, is very interesting subject. If you know the meaning of these words, you can understand that what is intrusive and what is extrusive. Extrusive outside, intrusive inside. So extrusive landforms are cinder cones made up of solid rock particles, ash cones, S1 Iraq made up of fine dust of ash, composite cones formed due to an explosive eruption. Lava cones, when volcano erupt, lava comes out quietly without any explosion. Lava cones are then built. Caldera is formed when emission results in the collapse of the cone. जब क्रेटर जो है कोलैप्स हो जाता है तो caldera, you can say that considerable size of crater is called caldera. क्रेटर छोटा होता है, कार्डेरा बड़ा होता है। ये मुंह से समझ सकते हैं आप, जिसका मुंह छोटा हो दैट इज नोन एज क्रेटर, और जिसका मुंह बड़ा हो जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड कार्डेरा। इफेक्ट्स ऑफ वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी, ऐसा नहीं है कि वॉल्केनोज आर ऑलवेज डिस्ट्रक्टिव, दे आर कंस्ट्रक्टिव ऑल्सो। कंस्ट्रक्टिव इफेक्ट्स आर soil formed by volcanic activity is fertile and good for agriculture. डेक्कन प्लेटो की जो ब्लैक सॉइल है, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ weathering of rocks formed by the volcanic lava, black soil. It has maximum amount of iron, that is why it is found in black color, and it is suitable for cotton cultivation. Forms igneous rocks such as granite, releases heat which is used for generation of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy can be produced by the generation by the heat emitted by the volcano. Geysers and springs, कभी कभी वो after the volcanic eruption the geysers and springs are formed, and these geysers and springs are very good. Geysers provide us hot water and springs provide us it may be hot also, it may be cool, it works like a spring. So this water can be used for the supply of water to the cities or to the villages wherever these geysers and springs are found. Aids to the beauty of landscape. Sometimes the volcanic eruption give birth to different landforms and which become the beauty for the sometimes these places become the center for tourism. Destructive effects, you know volcanoes का क्या destructive effect है? Causes destruction of life and property. जहाँ पे भी ये फटते हैं वॉल्केनोज, वहाँ पूरा रेगिस्तान बन जाता है. दे नो लाइफ देयर. कॉजेज लैंडस्लाइड्स, मड फ्लोज एंड फ्लड्स. I told you that after the volcanic eruption, a large amount of steam is ejected, and this steam, when it rises in the upper layer of the atmosphere, it cools down and give birth to rainfall. Sudden rainfall give birth to the floods. Causes environmental pollution. Different types of poisonous gases are emitted at the time of volcanic eruption, so it is very harmful for environmental pollution. Causes tsunami and tidal waves. Sometimes they give birth to the earthquakes also. Volcanoes and earthquakes are associated with each other. World distribution of volcanoes. We have circum-Pacific belt. It is called Pacific Ring of Fire also. And the areas are Andes Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Aleutian Islands, Island region of Asia, New Zealand, Chimborazo, Fujiyama, Mount Mayon, Mediterranean belt around the Mediterranean Sea. They are the Alpine and Himalayan system. Mount Vesuvius, Mount Vesuvius, Italy, Mount Etna, North Sicily, Mount Stromboli, Italy, Barren Island, India. They are found. So these are the major two areas of world of volcanic eruption in the world. In your book, a map is also given of these volcanoes. You can go through that map also. Thank you.